So I start recording. So we'll small topic. We'll take Outlook. Originally, Outlook and Outlook configuration things are there. Like what is an Outlook? What is how to configure Outlook? How to send a mail? How to receive a mail? And what is the difference between to address CC, BCC kind of stuff? Okay, how to take the backup of Outlook, how to take the backup of Outlook, um, troubleshooting related like a backup restoration. These are many topics are there, guys, because as for a given time, so we need at least one full day to go on a Outlook configuration, and practically both we should do it, then only we can understand. But I will try to show you the configuration in just in a small way. I will otherwise at least first of all I'll give a small introduction to the Outlook. Okay, troubleshooting in the sense it is a different ways are there. So different ways of asking questions on a troubleshooting of Outlook is there. Okay, we didn't discuss ITL, so we'll discuss later. Okay, so we have a little time, less time only, but little time. Okay, so the first one is what is a Outlook? Outlook is a application. Outlook is a application. See, you can see my Outlook application here. It is a Microsoft Office related application. So Microsoft Office suite is there. Office suite means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. This is Office suite. So one part of Office suite is Outlook. So Outlook is a very simple application, which is mail client. We have web browser, right? What is the use of this web browser? Web browser is web client. So we are telling this is the web browser. Okay, we are telling this is the web browser to access the website from the web server. So you are accessing website from the web server means you are a client. Same way you are accessing a mails from Outlook application. So that's why it is mail client. Not only Outlook, there is a several mail clients also available. So Outlook is nothing but a mail client. Okay, next. So first of all, what is this web server? What is mail server? Okay, so because we are already in a servers and services. Okay, so I'm trying to draw some picture here. So first one is mail server. First one is a mail server. So I am putting this is my mail server. How this mail server become a mail server? Different type of mail servers also there. Okay. So by installing the mail servers provide mail services. How a server become a mail server? We can by installing certain applications. Okay. Mail server applications. So from Microsoft Exchange. The name is Exchange. The latest version I didn't check it, but I know Exchange 2000, 2003, 2008, 2010. No, 2008 is not there. 2000, 2003, 2008 there are not. So 2010, 2007, 2007, 8 is not there. 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 and 2019. Okay, these are the editions. So Microsoft Exchange is a one of the mail server. Okay. Zimbra mail server. Squirrel Squirrel mail server. Dovecot DOV cot. I have to verify once the spelling. Dovecot. What is it? Dovecot. It is a Linux based mail server. Here it is. Ecot. Postfix. These are the examples of your mail servers. What is mail server do? It provides a mail service, or you can say email service. The email actually in our India we are ruled by Britishers. We use the word called a post office, postal services, right? What is the postal service? How it is postal service work? You wrote a letter, and on a letter we have a to address and from address, right? So what you do? You take a letter, and whatever the content of letter it is, but on the envelope you write to address and from address. So on the envelope, right? So this is also best example for understanding IP address in a communication. But in a postal or in America, same we call it as a mail. In British places, right, we ruled by British, we call that one as a postal service. But America is against to the British rule. Like when British went away from the America, they changed every name. That's why British English won't work in America. That the words are different. Okay, even though certain spellings also different. Like color, spectacles, British English, eyeglasses. Okay, eyeglasses like English, sidewalk, American English. Um, like no, what we can say sidewalk, pedestrian, I think like that, footpath. Okay, so this mail is nothing but our postal service only. So you prepare a letter, you send to the postal department, finally you send, then where it goes to the post office, right? To the mailing service office only. What they will do, they'll check your to address and from address, from where to, the important is to address, to whom it is has to go. So which area, which location, so they'll separate it. Okay, so they will send to that post box, right? So they will send to the post box, and the other person will collect the post in generally, but here it is little different, but in generally like this. So we'll send the office sent to that to address where it is their post office, and to their home. So they will collect the post. So this is what happened. Same way, this mail servers also work. So this is email, means electronic mail. Normally, we are making generalize like a email mail, but this is not a mail service. It is an email service, electronic mail. So there is no post office here. So we have a server here. Okay. So how it is works again? Email services. We have a mail server. email server, also called as mail server, always mail server. When you say server, it is always mail server. Okay, the sending and receiving only we are calling as a mail server. So this is the user, for example. Username is user1. You want to send a mail to user2. Okay, so who is the from address? User1. To address user2. Both are belongs to same domain, in that example. Okay, in this example. So I send a mail. The mail has to go to mail server. Mail has to go to mail server. So I am sending a mail. I'm using a protocol called a SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Using this mail, I'm sending the mail. When mail server received a mail, it verified to address from address. So each user has a mailbox in the mail server. It's nothing but a storage space. So what it will do, mail server, we put this mail into this storage box, like a mailbox. So whose mailbox it is? User2 mailbox. User1 is sending to user2. So it is checking to address is user2. The mail server check the to address. It is from user1 to user2. And it put the mail into the user2 mailbox. Okay, up to here. Now it is user2. This is user2. User2 want to take this mail. User2 want to, I want to open my email and then I want to read my email, right? So I got, is any new mail sir came? What mail it is came? What mail it is? I want to read about the mail. So what I have done, I will contact my mail server. I'm asking a mail server, I want to read my mail. Okay, so I'm sending a request. I want to read my mails using IMAP or a POP3. I will tell difference between IMAP and POP3. So it depends upon the user and user application. They use these protocols. Either you use IMAP or a POP3. So you are sending a request. I want to see my mails. I'm not sending a mail. I want to see my mails. Then what happened? Both are request guys. SMTP also client to server. POP3 IMAP also client to server. But in this side, client is user2, U2. So it is sending and then mail server check the protocol. Mail server check the protocol. Okay, it is a retrieving mail, not sending mail. It is retrieving mail, means taking the mail from the mailbox. So this mail server give or shows the mailbox content to the user2. Now user2 check it and you see you got a mail from user1. You got a mail from user1. So in a mail communication, there is a three protocols are important. Main important is to send a mail, SMTP protocol, to retrieve the mail, IMAP, IMAP or a POP3 protocols. POP3 protocols. So this is the point in a mail server. Okay, this is how it is works. So when you are interacting with a mail server, okay, when you are interacting with a mail server, there is a agent called MTA, mail transfer agent will make you connect between you and a mail server. You connect between you and mail server. Okay. MTA, mail transfer agent. Guys, same picture I'm trying to draw here. Okay, so this is my client, but sending a mail, right? So how to convey into this one? I will put a one text box here. So this is my client, any client. So like I put a client name is user is required, right? So then I put a user one, right? This is a client. This is a client PC. This is server PC. So user is user one. Okay. So user is user one. Now this client, what is doing? Sending a mail to user two from user one. Okay. That is also not good. I am preparing a mail. To address user one from address user one, user two, user one. Okay, and I put some matter inside, so that is, we don't worry about it. So this is, I want to send a mail. Okay, I want to send mail. So the mail is going to, this mail is going to mail server. Mail is going to mail server. Okay, using SMTP protocol. Using SMTP protocol, we are sending a mail. Then what is this will happen here? The mail, what is this? This mail server put the mail into user to mailbox. Put the mail into user to mailbox. So now where is the mail? In the user to mailbox. Now this is user to. User to open the, this is another client, right? Another PC. We can put a, instead of client, PC is better option, like a PCA, PCB kind of stuff. Okay, but this is user to person. What you want? You want to see what mails he got it. You want to see what mails got it. So he's sending a request to the mail server. He's sending a request to the mail server using a protocol, either IMAP. So I will tell the difference. I said no, IMAP version 4. Current version is 4. That's why it is version 4, or a POP3 of Starfish protocol. Okay, is sending a request to gain the, to retrieve the mail from mail server. So what this mail server is doing? Giving this mailbox content to the mail server. What we are getting? The content in the mailbox. So now I got a, I have seen, I got a mail from user one. I'm getting, I can able to see the mail from user 1. What is the content is there, so I can check it. This is how this mail server is working. Okay, guys, understand the point what I'm trying to say? Mail communication. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is to send mail. You want to send a mail, also called as outgoing mail. This protocol used to send mails, outgoing mails. The port number by default it is 25. IMAP version 4. This port number is 143. Okay, this is to retrieve mails, like a incoming mail server. It's outgoing mail server. This is like a outgoing mail you're sending to server, right? So outgoing mail server means you specify a SMTP address, means it is outgoing mail server. Okay, so you said IMAP mail server, it is incoming mail server. Yeah, one more protocol is there that is also important. POP3. It is 110. Port number is 110. This is also used to retrieve mails, means to take the mails. Like you open a mail account, yes, you can able to see the mails, right? You can able to see the mails. That is, you are taking the mails from the mail server. Okay, this is also incoming mail server. Address of a POP3 mail server address is nothing but a incoming mail server. So POP3 mail server, IMAP mail server, SMTP mail server. There's two different mail servers are there. Okay, either a POP3 or IMAP and SMTP mail. Okay, SMTP address is outgoing mail server address. SMTP mail server address is outgoing mail server. POP3 mail server address is incoming mail server address. We have to understand like that. So as I said, IMAP version 4 and POP3. Guys, IMAP is like a copy paste type, but not really, but copy paste type. Just easy to understand. This is cut paste, meaning is actually the mail is downloads into your local PC and it will remove from server. Okay, you download a mail to your local PC, and once it is downloaded, it remove from the server. Okay, it is copy in both server and local client PC. Okay, so that is the difference between POP3 and IMAP. So that's it is copy paste. Even though some people don't agree It's don't copy paste. It's actually don't keep the two copies. I went for. So what is their explanation is, so the mail is in the server only. Only the small URL means that cache type of URL stores in your local PC. That is also correct. Originally, IMAP version 4, IMAP, it does not download into your local PC, means completely not download. Okay. Mail not completely download into local client PC. Okay. So this is a difference between that. Okay. Here I want to put a small like this. Just I want to line up. And guys, remember the port numbers. Okay, later I will change the port numbers part also, so do not worry. So what I told about Outlook is a mail client application that we will see. Okay, different mail servers are created by using different applications. Okay, so based on your mail servers are created by installing and configuring different applications. Mail server provide a mail service or email service. Mail server maintain mailboxes for each client. So when our users send a mail, the mail go to the mailbox. So to retrieve the mail, to send a mail, we use SMTP protocol. To retrieve the mail, you can use IMAP or a POP3 protocol, depends upon the mail server. And you can download a mail to your PC and you can check the mail content. And let us tell
SMTP.
what it is.
Sir, for retrieving the mail or for request a mail.
Retrieving request means how to tell. Both are request only. To send a mail or receiving a mail, both are it's a kind of request only. Why I tell retrieve? Retrieve means you have a mail in your mail server. You want to take it. Okay. So you are
Okay, sir.
seeing your already you got a mails. Already you got a mail
Mail
into
server.
your mailbox. Yeah. Very good. See it is. My inbox is there. I want to see the content in the inbox. Then request go with the POP3 or a IMAP version 4 like that. Okay. Okay, guys, compulsory remember the port numbers and protocols. Of course, story not completed. This is the very basic. I will come back to the Outlook also now. Okay. So later I will tell another configuration, but this is the basics of mail server applications, mailbox, okay, and protocols. Now we'll come to the Outlook part. First of all, I have a mail server. Mail server stores mails in the user's mailbox. User's mailbox. Okay. Client means, or you can tell users retrieve mails from mail server mailbox. Retrieve mail from mailboxes. First way. In generally, we know the way. The first way I am telling here. One is web browser. Using web browser like this Gmail. Okay, we are using Gmail, right? So like example Gmail. In web browser, I put a Gmail account, user. Then I can see mails in my inbox. Okay, so I can see the mails, but there is small problem, but I will tell that problem. Okay, for example, I am seeing the mail. Okay, I can compose the mail, right? I open a Gmail, I can compose the mail, I can check the mails. Now what happened? Internet is gone. Without internet, you can't access. Now you're disconnected from the network or internet is gone. We can't able to see the mails. We can't check the mails. This is mail already received. Now internet is gone. If you open the mail, you cannot see the mail. Okay. So the flaw we will write. Okay. And first of all, advantage also I will write. We can see mails anytime any device possible, like nowadays devices also there, anytime any device through internet. So any device in generally, like we have internet now, so anytime any device through internet. Not I'm not sticking to any um, specific thing. I'm generally telling you can see mails anytime, any day through internet. If internet is down, you cannot access mails. Okay, yeah, someone is talking. Let's try to keep it in mute. Okay, it's already 6 o'clock. That's right. Okay, if internet is down, we cannot access the mails, right? Now it is open. Now suddenly internet is gone. I can't open the mails because mails mails are in web browser. Only in a web browser. Only in web browser. That is the correct one. But I put a web browser only, but not downloaded into your local PC. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, you're accessing internet, you're accessing emails using web browser. So what happening? You can able to access the mails. Okay, anytime, anywhere, any device through internet. So simply open the web browser, log in, check the mails, right? But if your internet is disconnected, then you cannot access the mails because the mails are showing in a browser but not downloaded into local PC. Okay, this is one way. This is a point. Okay, this is the point. Now one more problem is there in this way. Sometimes all mails are stored in mail server grammatically mistake. All mails were stored. No problem. All mails are store or stores. You can use stores also. You can correct it later. So all mails are in a mail server. Okay. Mail server, not mail server, mailbox. Mailbox. Okay. Based on mailbox size. Based on mailbox size, it may after after of course after some days of use, right? After some days of use, mailbox also full. So we can't store more mails, and we have to delete. Mails. Is to get new mails. You may get a thing, sir, how it is possible kind of stuff. Yes, it is possible. So look at here. You know, I joined in one organization. So previously, so they given a mail ID. We got a mail ID, and I use this mail um, um, using web browser only. So I got a mail like a Latif Shaik @cms.com kind of stuff. So then I use it like through web browser. The first time I got a mail ID. Mail ID is same, but the size of the mailbox is 50 MB. That is also okay. Why? Because of I don't get more mails that time because I'm not a mailing guy. Frequently getting a mails, completely mail through mail communication is not there. I'm a trainer, so I come and give the training. So only few information only has to send through the mails. So this mailbox size is still available. Means no problem. But later, after 6 months and all, so our company changed the mail server and we got 100 MB. So it is I upgraded. Okay, I got a 100 MB mailbox size. Now problem also came. What is the problem? I got little extra responsibilities. For example, in that organization, I have to conduct exams. Okay, so I have to conduct exams like a module exams are there, final exam is there, certification related examination. It means course certification examination is also there. Okay, so everything I have to send through the email only, but I'm using web browser related, right? So what happened? I'm keep sending emails and receiving emails. This mailbox is always full. So I have to delete all my old mails. So then only I can able to get a new mails. You have to delete old mails to get a new mails. Otherwise you cannot receive. Okay, you cannot receive. Right? This is the another issue. We have a mail server and now we are retrieving mails from the mail server using web browser. One is if internet is down, you cannot access the mails. If internet is down, you can't access the mails. Okay, that is the first thing. Next one is if mailbox is having a limited size, okay, if a limited size, it may fill after using of some days, few days, some days of use, it will be full. We cannot store more mails, so we have to delete old mails to get a new mails. Next, if you change an organization, that is also there. You change an organization or a server is down, you cannot see the old mails. Okay, if mail server is unavailable or down, cannot access existing mails, means old mails also cannot able to access. So these are the issues by using this kind of mail communication. Okay, so in generally Gmail is giving 15 GB, no problem. Okay, so we are not having that much big mails also, no problem. Then I choose a second way. Okay, I choose the second way. What is the second way here? What is the second way of mail communication? Then what is the solution for a first way problem? So we'll find some solutions from the here the second way. What is this second way? We'll see. I'm using Outlook. I'm using mail client applications like Outlook. Okay, Outlook. There is a lot of mail client applications there. So one of the thing is Outlook. Next. Okay. So first of all, we have to configure Outlook to send and receive mails. First of all, you have to configure. Once mails are downloaded into Outlook application, so into the Outlook application, the mails are available in your local PC only. Your mails will be there. Okay. Now, if your internet is down, will be able to access the downloaded mails. We can able to access. For example, this is my Microsoft Outlook Office 365, and there's some clashes are there. What I told and what is this? Okay. It is taking time, so it will load. It will take time. Okay. So what are the mails I already received, downloaded, or already received? I can check anytime. I can check anytime with or without internet. So these are the mails I already received. It is stored in my local PC only. Okay, these mails are mail information stored in my local PC. Anytime I can check these mails. Anytime I can get that information. Okay, So this is the use of Outlook. Next, using POP3 protocol. So we got some other issue, right? If mailbox size is limited, so then your server is getting full of mails. So you have to delete all mails to receive a new mail. So what is the solution? POP3 is useful. Using POP3 protocol, download mails from mail server to local PC, means client PC. Local PC means your local PC. Okay. Once mails downloaded, mail downloaded, once mail downloaded, it will remove from mail server. Mail server means your mailbox. So your mailbox is always clean. So as I said earlier, I have a 100 MBPS, 100 MB space. If I use Outlook to download these mails, I download these mails into my local PC using Outlook. So the mails won't be there in the server. Mails are in my local PC. Okay. So mails are in my local PC. Mails are in a local PC. So using POP3, so automatically it is a cut paste. So you download a mails to your local PC. So once mails are downloaded, it will remove from the mail server. So and mails available in your local PC anytime you can access from your local PC. So now the mails are in your local PC anytime you can access mails with or without internet. Okay, but problem is to get, to send or receive new mails, we need internet. Okay, already downloaded mails, it is not required. Internet is not required. But to send a new mails or to receive a new mails, so we need a internet. But there is a problem is there, guys. What is the problem? Where is the mails now? This is the mail server and this is the mailbox. This is my client PC. This is the client PC. And I using POP3, I download all mails to my local PC. Okay, using Outlook, I can view the mails. Using in Outlook, I configure to retrieve the mails. I use POP3 protocol. Meaning is the mails will be downloaded into local PC. Mails will be deleted in server. Now where are the mails? Where is mails? In a local PC. What if the computer, laptop got some problem? Your hardware is corrupted. Your where it is stored in local PC means it is in hard disk. Now you got a problem with your hard disk, or accidentally formatted, or maybe virus. What will happen? You lost the data. You will lose the data, right? Then your mails not available in a mail server, and your mails not available in the local PC. Understand? Last point, understand, guys? Okay. Next, it is required to take backup of mails from local PC and store separately. Store separately. So someone put a message. Yeah, very good, Doctor. When class will be ended? I asked one question, he given one another answer. Now, class will be ended soon. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the main important points about Outlook. Still, so much of story is there, and already I sent about Outlook part also. Okay. So to understand Outlook, Outlook is a mail client application from the Microsoft. Like Outlook, there is a lot of other applications also there, but most popularly we are using Outlook. We send a mail, then mail go to the mail server. We retrieve the mail from the mail server only. Okay, we give into the mail to the mail server and we take the mail from the mail server only. Okay, different like you want to create your own mail server by installing any kind of application. So this is completely pure Microsoft servers only you can install. These are belongs to Linux Unix based. So these are Linux servers, mail servers, Unix mail servers also you can create. Okay. And in a mail communication, we use SMTP protocol, POP3 and IMAP. So SMTP 25, POP3 110, IMAP is 143. Okay. So POP is like a cut paste type, means once you download a mails into your client PC, the mails will be removed from the server. IMAP is like a copy paste type, means it keep the copy of mails in both client and server. In usually we can say like it is exactly not downloading into your mail. Okay, it is not exactly downloading into your local PC. It is only partial part of partially it will load, not completely download means partially it is downloaded into your local PC. Guys, you have a mobile phone with a Gmail app is there, na? Gmail app is there in mobile phone, Android mobile phone or iOS. You have a Gmail app is there. So in that one, you are giving email ID, password, right? So you can check those mails in a browser, in a laptop browser. You can check the mails, and also you can check the mails from your mobile phone. Meaning is the originally mails are located in the mail server. Mail server only, main mail server only it is located. Original mails are in your Gmail server only. In Gmail server only mails are there. Using IMAP, you are accessing the mails from your laptop as well as your mobile phone. Okay. Simple example, your mobile is disconnected from the internet. You open the Gmail app. You can see already downloaded mails from it. Okay. So that's the simple way to say Outlook. Okay, Outlook configuration kind of stuff is also there. Just last one, not last one. There's so many things are there. I will show you. Open kind of stuff, account settings. I will go to account settings. Data file, open location. So in this Outlook, what are the mails are there? All the mails are in this location only. All the mails are in this particular file. You can see Outlook data file, and it is a 163 MB size, 163 MB size, and extension is .ost. It is Outlook data file is .ost file. So all these file, all these mails are located in this location, in this physical location. In my laptop only, all mails are in this file only. So what I have to do it, I have to take the backup of that file and store in somewhere else. I have to copy this file, store in somewhere else. So that is my Outlook file, but it is showing .ost. I will tell what is ost also. Okay, my mails are stored in my PC, and I have to take a backup and store somewhere else. If in case if I got some problem with my laptop, so then I lost the mails, right? So what I will do it, I will take, I will restore the mails from the backup. Okay, so one more, the mailing concept is also very big, but I hope you got the point. Okay, what is that? So take a backup, location also I told. At least I will tell this is Outlook data file. It is showing like that on a Outlook data file. Okay, so there is a extension called a .pst, .ost, personal storage table. It is a data file formats. What is PST or OST? It is nothing but a data file formats. OST, Outlook. Oh, sorry, I just PST, OST full form. It is better. Offline storage table, personal storage table. That's why I got it out. It is not Outlook. It is offline storage table. Okay, and personal storage table. And here it is. Why it is showing my one is showing .ost. Okay, so why it is showing .ost? My mail server is Microsoft. That's it. Okay, my mail server is Microsoft. Okay, that's why it is. I'm using Microsoft mail server, and my client is Microsoft client. So that's why it is showing the Outlook data file format is .ost. If your mail server is other than Microsoft, then it will show .pst. Other than Microsoft, it is showing .pst. Guys, understand this up to here at least?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I already forwarded a Outlook here. Can we see? This is Outlook. And also after this one, I explained Outlook again in a separate way. So compulsory go through once. Otherwise, I will search proper way. So compulsory Outlook configuration. So important is three important again. Outlook configuration, backup, how to take a backup. Okay, how to take a backup. So backup is very easy to take, very simple. Go to sorry, mistake. This is the new mail. Okay, open and export, import export. So you have to choose export to backup, like import export. So select export to a file. Next, you want to export to the .pst like this, Outlook's data file .pst. Next, then you have to select everything, like you want to select everything or you want to select only inbox. Next, you have to tell the location, where is the location. So you have to set location, choose the proper option, yellow duplicate or replace duplicate kind of stuff. Finish, you will get a backup. Okay, do not store into your local PC. The backup should be stored in a separate PC. So backup configuration and troubleshooting, like unable to send mails or receive mails, and mails, receive mails, send or receive problem. Okay, send and receive, both problems are there, only one problem is there. So check the troubleshooting, also very important. Next one is notification thing, and here it is. Mm, I lost that one. Yeah, flags kind of stuff. How to use these flags? One more. Why? Where is it? This is a signature. How to add a signatures? Follow-ups, importance, low importance kind of stuff. Yeah, where is this new? That is a common option. There is updates now. That is we are. This is send and receive, progress, download. This is not here. It won't be here. It is in the plain site only. So I am trying to say such it. Yeah, this is only quick steps. Okay, it changed the part. That's why I'm searching here only. So here it is. You can create new things. Okay, like it changed as a quick steps, but originally these things are like creating a folders like this. For example, I got a mail to my mailbox. The content is happy birthday. I need to go to birthday folder only. So I don't want to get confused between those two things. Okay. Or I got a mail, anything from HR VATS, no reply, VATS services. Go to birthday. Even any events are conducting, recently not conducting, but any events are there, it go to events. Of course, HR is sending any mails. From HR, I am getting any mail. It is showing, it will go to this HR folder. So whenever I receive a new mail, it makes sound. Okay, it makes sound. That is also you can configure. These are the things about your mail. Okay, then that is what is we can stay up to date. Okay, that is part is there. That is called a mail trace, mail trace kind of stuff. Mail trace. Um, part. Okay, so that's the point. Okay, so we'll see that one. And very important is what is to address, what is CC, what is DCC. Okay, these things also very important. And guys, already I configured. I have a one video is there. Again, I'm showing this. Last so many days of class before classes, I have shown how to configure Outlook using a Gmail account. Okay, in this one you have to do few things, but I need this is over SSL type. Okay, so I told normal protocols, but over SSL protocols are lintel. So you have to read it, and important, there is a 4 videos. So that is 2020, almost like a 2 years back. Here I explained how to configure Outlook and how to take a backup. Everything I done. So when you have a time, just try to check these things. Okay. I'm also including that one here to configure Outlook. I will put it here. This is yours only, right? Okay. So try this one also. Okay. That's it because it's already so much time up. I'm also sharing this link to you. Try once. Okay. So I think this is a basic information. If possible, I will tell more. That's it for today, guys. Any doubts or anything, please tell me. Well, people are left already. Okay, no problem. I'm also stop recording.